Hi guys, this is the old strap. I won't be reviewing this today. Watch my other video for it. However, I'll be reviewing this particular one in my hand now, which was the video you saw at the start, the drop. So really good, robust. So watch the video and watch my previous video for this one. Just as an extra, towards the end of this video, I'll be reviewing the Quattro Pro series, and this is just a all-in-one protection strap case. So yeah, this is it. Quite good protection, really solid. You can see it's got the sleeves for the straps on both sides, and you can also see it's got access to the crown, surface of the crown, speakers, and of course access to the back. So this is how you fit it in. It's a bit of a fiddle here, but initially once you start using it, it gets a bit easy to slide through. So you just slide it in through there, put in the crown in first, and then push in to click. So yeah, and that's it fitted. So you can see clearly that it's quite neat. You see the lip at the top there, and that gives you the protection. So when you drop, it doesn't touch the glass. However, there's no screen to protect the glass, but mainly like from drops like that. So at that height drop, you can see if I drop that, as you can see, it's protected and you have no issues at all. So that protection is really what you want, because I've had mine smashed before. Okay, so here I'm just trying to put the strap on, just so you can have an idea of what it looks like once it's done. As you can see, putting a strap on is fairly easy. It just sometimes I miss the slide there, but yeah, there you go. And which is cool. So you can wear any strap you want of your choice, and the top is protected. Really good. Yeah, so I would recommend this. I've been using it now for over a year. So I'll be reviewing here also the Atkinson all-in-one case, the Quad Pro series. Here is just the manual to show you put it in from the back of the strap. So just to have a look and see what it is like. Got areas for the speaker, and you've got the crown, you've got the other button up there, and you can see it's an all-in-one case fitted. So looks quite robust, looks very sturdy. And if I open it up just to show you what it looks like, yeah, so that's what it looks like here. Just also to add that this video isn't sponsored by Atkinson anyway. This is just me reviewing these items and then showing you. Again, this is how you fit it in here, and then you get a click, and yeah, this is what it looks like once it's in. Doesn't look too bad at all. A bit of a gap at the back there. However, your hands, when you put it on your wrist, yeah, that's going to rest on your wrist to seal, just like this. Yeah, so that goes, of course, in your hands, and you've got the normal buckle, and then yeah, that's what it looks like. Yeah, fits, rough, sturdy, not too expensive, looks good. So yeah, I've had this case now for a bit, and really, yeah, using it out, maybe try it at some point to see what it is like. But it looks like a good product. Okay, hope you can make up your mind on the one to choose.